And so now I suggest you to make such a pumpkin. Looks like this. For this, we'll use crocheting hook number 4 and 5 millimeters. You can use slightly smaller or slightly bigger hook. So here you need to use the beads. Please, when you choose your beads, make sure that the opening is enough for the raffia and the needle. I used a thin needle so that I'm able to pull it through the raffia and through the bead. It's very important because otherwise you won't be able to use the beads. So you need to find the beads that have opening big enough for your needle you are going to use. Here we use 6 beads on each side multiplied by 12. So we need to take 72 beads and put them on the raffia. And then we start to work. So take the free end and make a magic loop like this. On your fingers, insert the hook, pull the yarn and make a loop. That's the first loop ready. And then we make 18 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 chains ready. Here. This one is lost. What do we do next? Then into the second loop from the hook, so skip one, into the second insert the hook and make a single crochet. Make a yarn over, pull it through. You have 2 loops and a yarn over and pull it through. So that is a single crochet. That's our first stitch. In the next chain, make 1 more single crochet. Pull the yarn and pull it through both loops. Then we make a half double crochet. Make a yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. So in full double crochet, you remember we make 2 by 2. Now we make half double crochet, so we pull this yarn through all 3 together. Then we make 1 more stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 on the hook. Then you see here we have a slight rising. Then we make 9 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on the hook and you work 2 together. You have 2 and 2 together. That is a double crochet. And then we go on working likewise double crochets. That is the second. The third one. The fourth. The fifth. Sixth. Seventh. the 8th, and the 9th. And then again we need to make such a soft rounding. We make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook and pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, insert the hook and pull through all 3. And then we make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. First row is ready. In the next row we will repeat, but already with beads. To start the second row, we make 1 chain, turn your work, then into the second loop from the hook, so this one you skip and this one is the second. Insert the hook into the second loop, under one half loop, under the back half loop, like this, and make a single crochet. And so you need to make 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3. So you've made 3 single crochet. Now you need to attach a bead. I'll pull them closer here. Take one and pull it towards the loop, like this, very tight. And then we go on working single crochet behind this bead here. That is the 4th single crochet. That is a single crochet with a bead. And like this, the bead is in place. The 5th loop, make just a single crochet. Again, in the 6th, again, first pull the bead and then make a single crochet. Next, make a single crochet, that's the 7th single crochet, and again pull the bead and make a single crochet. Next, without a bead. We need 3 more, so I'll pull them closer. Take 1 bead and make a single crochet. And 1 single crochet without a bead. Again, take 1 bead and make a single crochet, and 1 single crochet without a bead. Again, a bead and a single crochet, and let's check. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads, and here you have 3 stitches left. You make 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3. And the 3rd. So we have finished the 2nd row. Now I'll again show you how to work the 3rd row. So we made 2 rows and we start the 3rd one. The 3rd one is going to be without beads, and we work it just like the first one, but here we'll work in the back half loop. So we make a chain to start a row. Into the 2nd stitch we start making single crochet, 1 single crochet, and the 2nd. Then we make 2 half double crochets, yarn over, make a half double crochet, pull through all the 3 stitches. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the back half loop here and pull the yarn through all 3. Then we need to make 9 double crochets. Yarn over and through 2 and through 2 stitches. The second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here we get such a pattern. Here we have 2 half double crochets and pull through all 3, and 1 more half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull the yarn through all 3, and 2 single crochets, 1 and 2 under the back half loop. So we made 3 rows. The 4th row will be again with beads. So for the 4th row, you see all the time I shift these beads. As I take more raffia, I shift them further and further and further. So let's start the 4th row. Make a chain to start a row, turn your work and into the second stitch here, make a single crochet, 1, 2, and 3 single crochets. Take 1 bead. I recommend you to take 6 beads separately here, so that you see that you have to make 6 beads in a row. Take 1 bead, make a single crochet and 1 more single crochet without a bead. Take 1 bead and make a single crochet, and 1 single crochet without a bead, and so you alternate. You see? 1 with a bead and 1 single crochet without a bead. One with a bead and 1 single crochet without a bead. One single crochet with a bead and 1 without. 1 single crochet with a bead, that is 14th single crochet, and now you have 15, 16 and 17, and you make 3 single crochets. 1, that is the 15th, the 16th and 17th. So here you have 2 rows of beads, and we go on working likewise. So you have 1 row without a bead and 1 row with beads. We made 4 rows. In total we need to make 12 rows like this. I'll make them and then show you how to sew the pumpkin together so that it gets this shape. Go on working till you have 12 rows.